here by the Senior Minister for Tourism, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, and the Country Director of the World Bank, Mr. Elango. Let's pick up the minds. So, we heard about your vision about the tourism, but what's the way forward? What's the strategy?
So basically, we want to protect already existing destinations which are already overcrowded. So we want to have a protection mechanism for them, that they are not destroyed. The environment is as it should be.
Meaningful tourism.
Exactly, responsible tourism, ecotourism. And then we want to have new destinations, because as I mentioned earlier, the existing destinations are already overcrowded. So we want to have at least 10 destinations which we will open up with a master plan, not with the haphazard thing or irresponsible tourism. So we are planning to have 10 new tourist destinations in the next 5 years.
Next 5 years, okay. So, Mr. Elango, we saw the World Bank has this cocktail of skills. How do you plan to support this meaningful development of meaningful tourism in KP?
So the Minister outlined the vision and the strategy, and there is an implementation plan. The World Bank intends financing this plan through building capacity of KPK officials, bringing in the private sector. Wherever destination management plans are there, how do you invest the infrastructure and how that can be made more popular among Pakistanis and foreigners, so they can visit these various sites which are vast in KPK.
Can you also help them in marketing, selling, developing the cognizance of the history and heritage of KP?
Yes, KPK has deserts to mountains, culture to heritage. This is what I call the integrated package KPK offers to the world. We'll certainly help them in the marketing, in the advertisement, in promoting, and to see how the whole KPK story can be sold to the world along with Pakistan.
Thank you. And we have also seen today in this discussion, in the seminar, that how the World Bank has the skills in terms of generating the ideas for the meaningful, effective, sustainable tourism in KP.